Ladies and gentlemen, SEMA 2024 just got a whole lot more interesting. Toyota has pulled the covers off what might be their boldest concept yet. A convertible Land Cruiser. Meet the Land Cruiser ROX concept, and trust me, this isn't your average show car. Now before you scroll to the comment section to tell me Toyota's lost their minds, hear me out. Remember those classic topless Land Cruisers from back in the day? Toyota's design team sure did, and they've taken that legendary DNA and cranked it up to 11. Starting with the all-new Land Cruiser 250 platform, Toyota's Calty design studio didn't just grab a sawzall and start cutting. They actually re-engineered over half the vehicle to create what might be the coolest Land Cruiser variant we've seen in decades. We're talking custom-fabricated bodywork, serious suspension upgrades, and some really clever features that'll make overlanding enthusiasts drool. Let's start with the obvious, that open-air design. The ROX features these wicked skeleton doors that look like they came straight out of a military vehicle catalog, paired with a sliding soft top that runs from front to back. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's a mid-gate system that opens up between the cabin and the bed, kind of like what you'd find in a Chevy Avalanche, but way cooler. They've even integrated seating into the tailgate for those Instagram-worthy sunset moments. The exterior is pure business. High-clearance rock rails protect the sides, while custom steel bumpers with integrated brush guards and D-rings handle the heavy lifting up front and out back. And can we talk about that color? It's called Spring Green, a throwback to classic Land Cruiser colors that somehow looks both retro and totally modern at the same time. Under the skin, TRD went all out with the suspension setup. We're looking at a 4-inch lift kit and forged aluminum control arms that push the wheels out a whopping 8 inches on each side. Those massive fender flares aren't just for show, they're hiding some serious suspension travel. The whole package rides on custom 18-inch billet wheels that look like they could handle anything you throw at them. Inside, it's a perfect blend of rugged and refined. Heritage orange leather adds a pop of color, while clever storage solutions like integrated safety kits and MOLLE panels mean you can bring all your adventure gear along for the ride. Now, here's the really interesting part. This concept looks production ready. Sure, Toyota's calling it a prototype, but everything from the body stamping to the engineering solutions screams, we might actually build this thing. And with the success of vehicles like the Bronco and Wrangler, there's clearly a market for premium open-air off-roaders. Will we see a production version? Toyota's keeping quiet on that front, but one thing's for sure, if they do decide to build it, they'll have no shortage of buyers lining up to put down deposits. Because let's be honest, who wouldn't want to tackle some trails in this ultimate adventure machine? Let me know in the comments what you think about this radical take on the Land Cruiser. Would you daily drive a convertible Land Cruiser? Hit that like button if you want Toyota to build this thing, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content just like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.